So what's the difference between a cosmetic dentist and a general dentist? As a cosmetic dentist, I am not looking at only each individual tooth, but also at how each tooth relates to all of the surrounding teeth. Yes, the work that I do looks really great, it looks beautiful, but the reason it does is because all of my recommendations are grounded in health, form, and function. It's just a default. If your teeth are healthy and functioning well, they are going to look beautiful. And as a cosmetic dentist, I am looking at your smile comprehensively to ensure that all of your teeth function well and are healthy. That way there are no random chips anymore. You don't keep coming to the dentist every year with more cavities, more inflammation. Everything is healthy because we're looking at your entire mouth, not just each individual tooth.